You just watched that, cinematic, epic, the kind of video that stops your scroll. Now what if I told you you can make content exactly like this, fully automated, no camera, no editing, no team. Just Claude AI, one tool, and your laptop. Most people think cinematic, faceless channels need hours of editing and expensive software. They watch channels like Melody Sheep and think, that's not for me. But the era of manual video creation is over, and I'm going to show you the exact workflow that changes everything. First, open Claude AI, free to use at Claude AI. Copy this exact prompt, I'll put it in the description so you can just paste it. Claude returns a perfectly structured JSON file in seconds, every scene split, every keyword assigned, zero manual work, copy it. Save it as a JSON file. Done. Now open NovaVideo Pro. Import that JSON file directly into the app. The app reads every scene, pulls matching cinematic footage automatically, generates the AI voiceover, syncs everything together. You don't touch the timeline, you don't edit a single clip. Hit the generate video button and your video is done. Cinematic narration, real footage, professional quality, in under 10 minutes total. Science, space, history, finance, highest paying niches on YouTube. Average CPM between $15 and $35 per 1,000 views. One video like this, properly optimized, earns passively for years. And with this workflow, Claude plus NovaVideo Pro, you can publish one every single day. Most creators spend 8 hours per video. Your total time, 10 minutes. That's your unfair advantage. NovaVideo Pro is in the description. One payment, yours forever. Runs locally, no subscriptions, no API bills. The full workflow is 2 steps. Claude makes the JSON, Nova makes the video. Get it today, upload your first video this week. Link below.